What a beautiful place. Have a cup of tea, sit down for half hour, then I'll get the fire going. Let the fire go for an hour and a half, 2 hours, get some coals. And I think we'll have some smoked mullets for dinner. Might even have smoked mullet sandwiches for dinner. I'm going to get the Campmaid out now, put it together, get it all ready for the coals. 3 bits for the Campmaid. This first bit, I'm going to use a one of the big camp oven lids. To secure it. So that's the frame. This is the bit that goes on, and you put your fillets of fish. This bit here holds the coal. So the coal goes in there, and over the top, put a large camp oven. You can use the camp oven that actually comes with that lid, but it's a heavy one, it's cast iron. This is spun steel, about half the weight, and fits perfectly. So, if you're living in the big cities, you'll have these little fire starter brick. Stick that in the kindling and it should go straight away. Just put a little punch of oil over this. So you can see it's starting to smoke there. And because there's such a strong wind, I'll get a windbreak, but I might put it up just a little bit so that the bowl gives it a little bit of protection. Throw the bowl over. So we've got our mullet. Smoked mullet is awesome. Got our lemon zest. Sprinkle lemon zest over the mullet. On the smoker you put it soft side down, so skin up. So I've got 4 bits of mullet out instead of 2. They're only small. About 7 minutes because they're small. If they're a bit bigger and fatter, I'd probably go 9 minutes. Alright, belly down. Got the mullet on. 4 pieces of mullet. They're quite small, so about 7 minutes. I'm pretty sure that's all it'll take. If your mullet was big and fat, I'd probably go 9 minutes. Chips. So I'll quickly do the solid up. Finally, chop your onion. Now, I'm not chopping it like a chef, and that's because I'm not a chef. Throw a bit of salt in the onion. That just takes the bite out of it a little bit. Throw the onion in the bowl. Toss the salad. Throw a little bit of olive oil in. Put it back in the fridge until the fish are ready. Righto, salad done. So if you don't have any sort of sauce to go with your fish, you can make it up. Standard mayonnaise, standard tomato sauce, equal parts. Get a stir, it'll go nice pink. And I tell you what, when you put it on anything fish, it's beautiful. Give it a try. A little bit of salt and pepper. That's all good. So that's the sauce done. The mullet is beautiful. Couldn't help myself. I tasted a little bit over there. 4 bits went in, 3 bits came out. 1 bit fell on the ground. A little bit of lemon. A little bit of salt. Sprinkle a bit of salad. And then a bit of sauce. So this is one of my favourite dishes. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to dig in. This is so easy to eat. It just falls to bits. The salad and the sauce is already on the top. You just stick your fork in, mash it around. I enjoy it. It really is good. Can't believe it. I dropped one on the ground. Didn't just drop it on the ground, but it couldn't have dropped in a dirtier patch, and it fell, of course, not skin down, meat down. Bon appetit. See you next time. If you got something out of this video, hit that like button, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.